Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to start by confirming hardware. If your PC has only an AMD GPU, you cannot run Nvidia Control Panel because it requires Nvidia drivers and hardware. Once done, make sure Windows is up to date and create a restore point. If you have a laptop or hybrid system with both chips, install the latest Nvidia driver package and the corresponding AMD driver. This prepares the system for the control panel to appear. Now proceed to enable the Nvidia stack. If your machine is hybrid, an AMD iGPU or a GPU plus an Nvidia DGPU, install the complete Nvidia driver package and reboot so the control panel loads. Then open Nvidia Control Panel and set global or per application GPU preferences. This forces the DGPU when you need it. If Windows still prefers AMD, use UEFI/BIOS to select discrete GPU or enable switchable graphics, and adjust Windows graphics settings to choose the high-performance GPU. These steps let Nvidia Control Panel actually manage supported apps. With drivers installed and preferences set, apply changes and launch a demanding app to confirm Nvidia Control Panel settings take effect. Use Task Manager or a GPU monitor to verify the active adapter. If you do not have an Nvidia GPU, switch to AMD Radeon software or tools like MSI Afterburner for tuning. There is no native Nvidia Control Panel fallback. If the control panel fails to appear, run Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode, then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.